So at the end of March 2012, we were officially accepted by Apple in the App Store for the iPad, and we launched the I Get It iPad app. And the I Get It iPad app allows you to access your training courses online through your iPad, or if you don't have an account, you can sign up for a free account as part of the free application download. So we're very excited about it. We're pleased that we actually completed it and Apple accepted it, which is a great accomplishment for the company. So the main reason we developed the app was we have this theory that we want to have all this great content inside I Get It, but we want to build additional ways for users to access that content. So we want to make it as easy as possible for users to get to the training courses and their own custom content that they build inside of I Get It. So there's no better other way than a traditional internet web browser than the iPad. The iPad is extremely successful in our marketplace and in general throughout the world. So we thought no better way to start than build an app for the iPad. So we started working on it in December out of the Novi, Michigan office and the Denver office, and we collaborated back and forth between those offices. The main developer was Joe Kaskowski, which is a newer employee for Tata Technologies, so he did extremely well on the project. We also worked with the outside agency on some of the graphics to get that completed, and the app looks very professional, as you'll see in the live demonstration, and very pleased it came out. One of the key things why we started with the iPad was Autodesk is having tremendous success with applications on the iPad. So a good example is it took Autodesk over 12 years to get over 10 million users of their products back in the early days. They came out with one of their first apps, which was Sketchbook for the iPad, and they got 10 million users in 18 months. And to this date, just 2 years later from the first release of their app, they have over 50 million users on their apps on the iPad. So that was a clear indication that design professionals are using the iPad, which is our target audience for I Get It training, and that was one motivating factor that now is the right time to do this. And none of our competition has an app like this, so we thought it would be a good way to separate I Get It from the competition as well, and just build more exposure for I Get It in general. The functionality of the application today in what we would call 1.02 is the release as of May 15th here. This basically allows you to get to your existing courses if you already have a paid subscription that you either purchase from Tata Technologies, a reseller, or from the website as e-commerce. So you have to purchase it somewhere else other than the application, or on the iPad app you can sign up for a free account and gain access to some free courses. Later on this summer, hopefully by the end of summer, we're going to issue a new version where you will be able to purchase individual courses through the app. We're working on that today. The other thing is that in the current release of the app you cannot access assessments, and that will be coming out later this summer as well as a future release. So mainly today it's focused on our standard training courses and just allowing you to access them and sign up for free accounts. It's available today in the App Store, so if you have an iPad, just go to the App Store, do a search for I Get It, or search for one of the CAD applications, and you'll find the I Get It logo there in the App Store. People are downloading it every day. We're over 1,000 users in the first month downloaded it, so we're on track for over 10,000 in the first year, which is a huge lead generation source for us. If you just do a simple search, you can get to it. If you log into I Get It, there's an icon there to go to the App Store and download it as well. Or if you go to our Facebook page, there's a link there as well, or Google Plus, or any of those. So lots of ways to find it.